I'm Andrew Hartline, Sales Manager here at Ensign Equipment. Today I want to talk to you about an optional item we offer for our Gaylord dumpers. This is an add-on option actually for our controls. It's our Pendant control option. So on a standard control panel, we mount a NEMA 12 box right on the frame of the unit. It comes with push buttons that are momentary, up and down, and it sits right here. So an operator's got to be physically at the machine the entire time it's moving. So for applications maybe where operators need to kind of have some more mobility, move away from the machine, or be able to move around the machine while it's rotating, we offer a pendant control. And this allows operators to be on the front end while it's dumping. You know, they can toggle the material, they can toggle the dumper to discharge material more in stages. Or they can be on the back side of the dumper, maybe during the loading side or unloading of the dumper. And so this allows them to be, a little bit more mobile during the process, to maybe see different areas to make sure maybe it's safe, if you don't have a safety cage option that you've added on. So it's just a really nice add-on feature to allow operators a little bit more mobility than just standing right here at the machine while the machine is operating. I hope this video was a little bit informative for you. If you got any questions, please leave them in the comments below or contact us at sales@ensigneq.com. Thanks. Catch you on the next one.